Hey everyone, it's Milby, and today I'm back with another speed build video. In today's video, we'll be doing a speed build of a mushroom farm. But before we start this video, make sure you go fill out the Google Docs form if you want your island to be toured, on my YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's start this speed build. So in this clip I'm just going to be making my mini greenhouse. So as you can see, I've customised two stalls to make it kind of look like one, and then I put it back to back. So now I'm just going to start on my paving. So this paving will be used as a mushroom field in the future. So as you can see here, I'm just placing down some mushrooms. I'm placing down skinny, flat and rare mushrooms in this clip. So now I'm just placing down some orange trees. So now I'm just going to start placing down some furniture. So now I'm just placing down some grape harvest backpacks. They're just so cute, so I wanted to include them within this kind of particular area. So now I'm just placing down some trees. As you can see, I'm just trying to make it kind of look foresty. So now I'm just placing down some furniture. So now I'm just placing down some custom designs on the floor, as I want it to kind of look more natural. Now I'm just placing down some red leaves piles. And there we have it, we have finished our speed build. So this is the final product. I'm pretty happy with this. I think it looks very, very natural, which I love, and this is the sort of theme I'm going for this particular part of my island. So here's some multiple views of this area. I really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also watch my most recent video. See you guys next time. Bye!